Right here I have the perfect bar stools that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this 3 set of these Rattan mid-century bar stools. Now these are absolutely amazing and they come in this beautiful beige and also in a really nice gray. This fabric's going to be really soft, skin friendly, and I absolutely love the support that I'm getting on my back right now. I especially love that Rattan material because it gives you a little bit of cushion in the back whenever you are leaning back, and it just looks beautiful from the back of the chair. And honestly, it can be difficult to get a really nice appearance from the back of a chair, and these definitely do that. Now, what's special about these is it actually is going to be made of a metal frame. Now, this metal framing actually looks exactly like wood grain, and when I saw this, I was shocked. I didn't know how the company did it, but it looks so good. But these chairs are actually able to hold up to 300 pounds because it is going to have a sturdy metal design. Now, these bar stools do not swivel, but that's not a deal breaker to me because they just look amazing. Now on the bottom of the legs, you're gonna find an anti-tip kit, so you're able to spin these. It's gonna be a nice sturdy metal base, so you're gonna be able to have this level on any surface that you put this on. Now these are gonna be 26-inch bar stools, so that's from the ground to the seat height, and just for reference, my countertop is 35 inches. So these chairs are gonna be perfect from 34 all the way up to a 42-inch bar top height. Now if you're like me, you could put these at your kitchen island and make these pop and look amazing, or you could put these in your cafe, your restaurant. If you have a bar top in your house somewhere, maybe in your basement, you have a nice cool setup, these would be perfect for that. Now let's talk about the seat cushion, because we have a couple inches of high density foam padding that feels so soft and comfortable. It has a very wide base to sit on that I especially love. So it's not going to be really tight and narrow when you are sitting on this. You're going to have a ton of room to actually move around. And you also have this amazing footrest that does wrap around the entire chair, which gives it stability, and you can also turn to the side. Now, since this is not a swivel chair, if I do have guests in my home, I actually do find it comfortable. If I turn to the side, I can still use the footrest on the side, either my right or my left, and the side of my body, when it's leaning on the backrest, is not uncomfortable at all. It is actually resting on that rattan material, and it has a little bit of give, and it doesn't feel like it's hurting my ribs whatsoever, and I can kind of lean onto the backrest, and I could talk to somebody over here, and that's kind of how I would sit on the chair, and I'd be totally comfortable. Now, when it comes to assembly, I have to say these are probably one of the easiest chairs I've assembled, period, and that's probably because you don't even have to assemble the swivel at all. So you have the circular base, you have the legs and the backrest, and you're pretty much done. These chairs could probably take about 2 minutes per chair to build. Very easy and quick, and the directions are super easy to follow. Now with this easy installation, skin-friendly fabric, and this beautiful rattan design, you can't go wrong with these chairs. They are a must-have in my home. Make sure you add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.